Hello everyone, good evening. So we're here from this one and is analyze of these games in FIDE World Cup Goa 2025. So today is round number 3 from game number 1. So how many clocks here within almost long game and round robin. And also today's round number 3 and also have a between from this Grandmaster in Germany is Frederick Swain versus the world champ by Grandmaster in India is Gukesh D period. So I used my last name by letter D period here. So two games analyzed here. So after game 1 from this next proceed from this game 2 from round number 3. So in this part of this video, you have analyzed of the standings after round number 3 in FIDE World Cup 2025. So white plays Frederick is e4, c5 world champ Sicilian, knight f3, knight c6, and it's called by Rosolimo variation by Niementino. I don't know what's the name this one. So it's okay. Rosolimo variation, and also g6 by Gukesh, or preparing by dark square by bishop to g7 here, and also castling by Frederick, and also bishop g7 by Wertscham, and also d3, d6, so without controls by this one by connecting these pawns by Gukesh, and also c3, so what the plans, or maybe here by next by d4, and also knight f6 by Wertscham by ready by castling, and also push e5 by Frederick, strong move, sacrifice. So sacrifice without attacks this one, the temples attacks the knights, or without preparing the pawns without captured here. And decided by word champ by knight to d5, so need more ignorance by the knights here by Gukesh. And also captured the pawns, queen takes captured, and also knight bd2. So without knight bd2, without controls here or without developments here, and also knight go back f6 here, and knight c4. Wait, so it means, so these are novelties, so knight go backs novelty, no more book lines. So these are the old main lines here is castling and knight to b6 here. So knight b6 is a old main line, so it means new novelty go backs. So out of this book line, this one novelty by Wertscham here, and also knight c4 without threats the queens, decided queen c7 by Gukesh, and also knight fe5 by this Frederick, or within idea without threats the knights here. So it means without cannot move the knight takes captured, because these are the threats the kings without checks here. And decided this one castling by Wertscham, bishop captured takes, rook e1 without controls by defense the develops the knights, knight d5, without knight d5 here by Wertscham. So what the plans, or maybe here by knight to b6, so need more attacks, this counters attacks the knights here without controls by connecting, and also queen a4 by Frederick, or maybe without idea by threats the pawns, or because these are the knights here, or these are the two minor pieces the knights here. And also decided bishop f5 by Wertscham, queen takes captured without queen to queen, in accept Gukesh, queen takes, knight takes, and bishop captured without continuous, without threats the knights here or counters attacks. And also knight for e5 by Frederick, or threatening the bishops here, and decided bishop b5 by Gukesh without attacks the knights, and c4 by Frederick without threatening tempos attacks the bishop or disturbance, and good move bishop captured knights without good move excellent the Wertscham, knight takes captured, and also knight b6, so without controls here, or maybe without idea by threatening the pawns without threats here, so without continuous here. And also rook b1, knight captured pawn. So how many pawns? Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 pawns by Frederick, and also 6 pawns by Gukesh. So 5 versus 6 here. So these are the 5 connected pass pawn versus 6 connected pass pawns here. And also decided b3 without attacks the knights, and also knight b6 by Gukesh, and also bishop a3 by Frederick, or maybe without idea by without disturbance attacks this one, the pawns, these black pieces. And also decided sacrifice c4, so not sacrifice, or move by controls by c4, or maybe without controls, so need more move side the connected pass pawn. Rook bc1 without attacks the pawns, captured, knight takes captured check, so without checks here. And proc the active move king h8 by Wertscham, captured, and also rook fd8 without need more this one, the move side, this one, the rooks here by these developments here. Rook ed1 without rook to rook, and also bishop f6 by Gukesh without threats the knights, or maybe without threats the knights here, or counters attacks this one, the targets. And decided pawn g3 by Frederick, and also king g7, for example. So in accept, why don't we in accept by rook captured without checks here? Rook takes captured, and decided bishop captured knight. So these are a 2 pieces here, so versus by 3 pieces here. So these are the controls. So easy wins for blacks here by this one Wertscham. So controls by this one continuations. So need more later by capture this rook to rooks here. So it means decided by Wertscham by king to g7, king must be active. So need more this move by this one, king must be active. King g2 by Frederick without king must be active. In accept, rook takes, and also a5, and also bishop c5 without attacks the knights. Pawn a4 attacks the pawns. Bishop captured knight, bishop captured knights, and these are the same by dark coloring bishops here. And also capture this pawn, rook takes, and bishop d4 check, bishop f6 without defense, takes, king takes, and this one game number 1. So decided agree draw. So the score by Frederick 98.2 and the score by Wertscham 98.4. So the win from game number 1, Gukesh. So next up, this one by round number 3 by proceed from this game number 2. So e4 by Wertscham, e5 by Frederick, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, and is called by Yoko Piacinimo variation here. So Yoko Piacinimo variation. So it means these are the voices by this piano. Castling by Gukesh, and also d6 by Frederick, or maybe without idea by move side by bishop to g4 without threats the knights, or counters attacks this one. And decided c3 without controls here, and also a5 without no more by this one, the bishop, pawn to b4. So these are the move side, this one, the connected the pass pawn by black pieces. Rook e1 by Gukesh, castling king side by Frederick, so without need more castling here. And also h3 by Gukesh without no more by bishop to g4 or knight g4 here. So these are the need more connected, this one move by h3. And also h6 without no more by bishop to g5 or knight g5. So these are the connected, this one, the pass pawn. So these are the controls here. And also knight bd2 without movement here, and also bishop backwards without no more, this one by pawn d4. Sorry, I got wrong notes here. So no more by pawn pawn d4 because these are the backwards, this one, the bishops here. And also pawn a4 without stop by connected this move side by pawn a4 here without block pieces. And also bishop d7 by Frederick. And also d3 without defense the bishop, or maybe without defense the pawns, or need protects the bishop, and decided by light square by bishop b2, or maybe without dark square here by this one, so not light square here. It's a very wrong rule here. And also decided bishop e6 by Frederick without bishop to bishop, and also bishop p2 without dark square this one, or maybe without connecting this move by bishop p2 by dark square by this one with Gukesh here. And decided properly active move is king h8 by Frederick, and also rook a2. So these are a not belongs of the book lines, this word champ. So these are the old main lines here by recording by knight f1, or maybe ignorance bishop to b5. So these are the old lines here. So third new move is rook a2, does not belongs of the book line. So out of this booklet, this one the word champ here. And also knight h5 without controls, or maybe without next move by maneuvers knight f4. So next move here. And also knight f1 without idea by knight to g3, so without next maneuver. And also knight f4 by Frederick, so without idea. So what ideas here? Oh, without idea by captured pawns, sacrifice. So these are the sacrifice here. So these are the threats that attacks these pawns here. Bishop c1 by Gukesh, and also queen f6, so very strongest move. Or next idea here by move side by queen g6 without queen g6 here. And also knight g3 by Gukesh, and also pawn g5 by Frederick, so very strongest move here. Or maybe without next move by h5 here by pawns here. Knight h2 by Gukesh, and also queen g6 by Frederick, and bishop e3 without bishop to bishop, and also d5 without controls or attacks these bishop and pawns here. And also captured, bishop takes, bishop captured, and also c takes b6 without, these are the damage, this one the, so pawn structure is a very damageful here. And also knight f3 go backs here, so it means go back here, so without controls here. And also rook a d8 by Frederick, rook d2 without rook behind the queens, bishop captured, good move, takes, and also f6. So for example, so why don't we try rook captured? So how do you controls? And also queen takes captured. So if you move side this one by rook d8 here, so these are the continuations here, and decided this one, so without rooks here, without threats the queens here, and decided, so where do you moves here? Where do you moves? Wait. Queen to queen to e3 here, so queen e3. So queen e3, so these are the confuse my difficulties. So these are the good examples here. Also very good examples. So determinations here. So back there, this one is f6 by Frederick, so these are the continuations by f6. Knight e4 by Gukesh here, and also rook takes accepted, queen takes, and rook d8 by Frederick without idea, attacks the queens here. And also queen e3, oh, so it means queen e3 by ignorance by word champ. And also pawn f5 without strong move by Frederick, or maybe without idea, without threats the knights here. And also knight g3 by Gukesh here, and also knight d3 by Frederick, so very excellent move by Frederick, or maybe without attacks this one the rooks here. And also rook d1 without pins the rooks here, or without threats the knights here. So the guessing puzzle, so what do you think without idea, without great, excellent move, the best move by Grandmaster Frederick Svein. So guessing puzzle, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. So very excellent push f4. What? So push f4 pawns. So excellent move by Frederick Svein, or maybe without both with queens and knights here. So double attacks here. So very double attacks here. And decided this one is queen e4 without queen to queen. And decided this one is king h7 here by proc active move. So for example, so do not capture the pawn takes knight, and decided queen takes captured, so it means so very crying, so it means crying, no, my queen. Four black pieces, so lose from blacks here, so it means lose from blacks. So for example, another, so if you capture this pawn, knight takes captured, so do not captured, pawn captured, and decided queen captured, queen less, so it means lose from whites here. My queen, crying, they're very crying. So do not capture this, pawn takes knight, so because blunder ratios, so blunder ratios here, so need more concentrations by eye to eye contact. So concentrations, just focus on this one in this chess here. So back there decided this one is decided king h7 by Frederick, so need more proc active move here. So without decided by without queen to queen, without threatening the attacks this without queen to queen. So in accept, queen takes, good move, king takes, and also knight e4 by Gukesh. So very determinations here by white here by Gukesh. King f5 by Frederick, or threatening the knights, and knight fd2, good move. So good move by Gukesh without defense, or protects the knights, and also decided knight c5. So these are the threatening attacks, this one, or maybe without controls, without threats the knights here. And also decided this one, rook e1 by Gukesh without defense, and also ignorance. So for example, so why don't we try knight captured? So how do you control? Knight takes captured. So cannot move the attacks the knights because these are the rooks here. So how do you move here? And decided rook to d3. So threatening the pawns. So it means without not threats the pawns here. So these are the good examples here. So very good examples. So back there, this one is knight d3 by Frederick. So without very strongest move. And also rook b1 by Gukesh, and also h5. Without idea, this one, next move by this one by g4. And also king f1 without king must be active, or without continuations here. And also knight c5 without attacks the knights, and also decided defense f3 without defense the knights and pawns, and also rook d3 without strongest move, so without controls here. And decided king f2, and also g4 without attacks this pawn, captured, good move, takes, and also rook e1. So these are a given bad move to Gukesh, so that's not one of this computer. So the best moves is rook h1. So rook h1 without idea, without rook h5 without threats that checks here. So etc, etc, these are the slightly betters from whites here. So back there is rook e1 by Gukesh without defense the knights. Good move without checks here. And also king e2. Oh, without king e2. Rook e3 check and also king d1. And accept. Rook takes. And also king e6 without controls here. Or maybe without king must be actives here. And also king d1. Knight e7 by Frederick, and also king e2 without controls by king must be active, another bad move by computer by Gukesh. So the best moves is king e1. So king e1 here, so these are the best solutions from advantage here. The best solutions here. So king e2 by Gukesh, and also knight f5 by Frederick here, and also knight g5 check, and also king e7 good move by Frederick, knight ge4 without attacks, and also king e6 again, knight g5 check again, and also king f6. So these are the attacks the knight, so these are 3 reputation draws, so do not, so it means no more draws here. Knight g4 check, king e7, knight capture takes, and also knight e4 without attacks the pawns. Good move b6 defends the pawns, and king d3. So without king d3, so it is not about bad move. So blunderations by this one by Gukesh here. So word champ, so blunderations. So the better move is king f1, not king d3. So these are king d3 is very wrong here. So king f1 is a correct move here. So these are the slightly betters here. So back there is king d3 by Gukesh without more defensive the pawns here, and also knight h4 without attacks the threats the g2 pawns here, and also pawn b4 without attacks this pawn, knight captured pawn, takes, knight takes, and also knight e3 without controls here, or maybe without determinations this one, knight e3 by Frederick. So how many pawns? So 4 connected pass pawn by Wertscham, and 4 connected by this one from these black pieces by Frederick here. So 4 same pawns here. So how many clocks here? So 4 minutes and 4 seconds by Wertscham by Gukesh, and 11 minutes and 1 seconds by Frederick. So these are the white pieces. It's very lowest times here. So let's continue. Knight e3 by Frederick here, and decided king e2, and last shot knight takes captured. So these are the end of this game number 2. So he cannot do it, so in the decided by resigns by Wertscham, so knockout. So I know Gukesh is very win, so I thought Gukesh is not proceed of this next round here. So the score by white pieces Gukesh is 91.8, and the score by Frederick Svein is 96.3. So congratulations Grandmaster Frederick Svein. So next proceed of this next round, round number 4. So thank you so much by this one Infinity World Cup Goa 2025. So these are the, I hope of this one from this analyze here by this one. So I hope at this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka iCoolMark17. Have a good day, keep safe, and I will next of this analyze between China versus Russia. So Grandmaster Zhuzhener versus the Grandmaster from this Dmitry. So I will analyze of this game soon. So keep updates of this next chess updates. Good night po.